What's going on, guys? Welcome back to PHV 879.
Red Vision.
PHV 1879. This here's a little spot in Guilford where all the bikers just meet up for some coffee. It's quite cool actually. Came down with my brother. Quite a sweet little ride here together. He's getting some coffee at the moment, but yeah, it's unexpected. This is very unexpected. It's a lovely, lovely view over there. But yeah, so many bikes around here. It looks crazy. And yeah, Sunday. It's currently, I think it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. I think this is a place to be on a Sunday afternoon, or even a Saturday. Apparently it gets really busy during the day as well. Hot, nice summer day. Sweet. Good vibe here. Very good vibe. It's not like Ace Cafe where you got Hooligan Central, literally. This is more like a respectable kind of area to meet up. But yeah, it's cool. Loving it, loving it. Hope you like the content, guys. It's a little montage. on, guys? Welcome to the end of today's antics with PHV 1879. This is the painful thing of owning a Harley. Once riding in the rain, you don't want the chrome to go all funny, milky color, discoloration at all. You got to spend the time, an extra 10 minutes after the ride to wipe it down. We had to cut it short because it's just rain everywhere and it's just ridiculous, really. It's annoying and it's coming out hard. I'm actually quite dry now. I was soaking wet earlier, but yeah, it was a good little ride. That was actually to Newlands Corner in Guilford we went to, and it's renowned for being a actual bikers meetup point where you just have coffee, maybe even a cheeseburger like we had. Yeah, there's all kind of bikes down there. It's pretty cool. One of my mates, Charles, I said it's quite busy as well for a Sunday. It was busy. It was nice. It was quite nice. I guess it's because of obviously the end of lockdown and all that. Although the news does say that there's some stuff happening with all this situation of the coronavirus. But good day out with the brother. His bike is not leaking oil no more at all. It's all good. So it's all good in the hood. Makes me feel good. Makes me feel like I haven't broken his bike. And yeah, mine rides like a dream. Let's just touch wood. They stay as they are. And yeah, there'll be some serious videos coming up, guys. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm back at work actually as well, so uploading videos, doing a lot of content. I really have to stay very well organized to do so for you guys. But I'm gonna do my utmost best to make sure that I keep at least 2 videos a week coming through. Maybe 3, at least 1, but my aim is to do 2 on average a week. So yeah, check my new video out, obviously the one before, which was the antics in Ace Cafe. Hopefully my brother and I will be going down to Ace Cafe in both VRODS. We haven't had any louder bikes in hours really, so it does grab quite a lot of attention. And hopefully we'll get involved with some certain stuff, if you know what I mean. But yeah, Dill, you missed a spot over there. The mirror, bro, the mirror. That's it. Right, guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. I want to say take care. I'll see you soon. And cheers, guys.